everybody. Wade McNutt here, Piano Meditation Worship Tutorials, pianomeditation.com. Our song is Same God. Key of the radio version, it's D flat. Don't be afraid of that key, okay? You don't have to be afraid of that. We're going to work through it today. And God, we just call you into this lesson. We love you. We trust you. We know that you are the same God. We believe that we read about in the Bible, all the miraculous things that happened. You're still doing amazing things, and we trust in that. We believe in that. Amen. Pray for the student wherever they are. Amen. All right, so if you don't have cheat sheets, make sure and get those down in the description. It says more. You can click on that. It says email list, and I'll send you those cheat sheets. And what you need to do in the back of those is write in this thing here. It shows you what chords we're going to be using throughout today and how to move around. So very last page allows you to draw some stuff in there. And make some notes on that. If you want the chords and lyrics, you can copy and paste those down from below the video in that description or where it says more about the video. So get that there, and let's jump to the intro. So depending on what version you're doing or if you're playing with the band or not, you may not be playing this, but I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty simple, and it just follows the verse melody. I'm calling on the God of Jacob. It's real simple. Bum, 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 ba, 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 ba. 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and if you want to do these together, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You might even go ba. With the bass too. That sounds nice. So you can do that for an intro, and we'll go into verse 1. We have a D flat chord. It's really not that bad. It feels like any other chord. You just got to learn it. And you might be, if you're new to the videos, then you might be wondering, why don't you just play this here for a D flat chord? Well, I want to keep everything together and for it to sound professional. So what we're going to do is move this to the top. And what we have is an inversion of a D flat chord. So we just play some bass notes with it. Now we're going to pump this here in the right hand to give us our rhythm. I'm calling on the God of. Then we go to a G flat slash D flat. So here's the G flat chord. And then anything after the slash is talking to your bass player. So that's a D flat. Jacob. Just like that. All right, very quick chord, Jacob. So right on that word, you'll do that movement. And that's why it's important also to be close together so you can play those. Now remember, don't play like this. Play with your hands out nice and curved, all right? Don't be afraid to go into the piano quite a bit too. I'm doing this so you can see. All right, moving on through the song. Whose love endures through generations. Now we go to a B minor. Here, dun, dun, B flat's in the bass. B flat is what I meant, B flat minor. I know that you will keep your covenant. And this is a G flat with regular G in the bass this time. If you want to add in this note for your G flat chord, it'll sound real nice. Call it a G flat add 9 or G flat 2. Then the next line, I'm calling on the God of Moses. 3, 4, the one who opened up the ocean. B flat minor. I need you now to do the same thing for me. D flat chord. Here's a quick one. G flat, D flat. But you do a slash chord on that. So you can do that as a turnaround and go back to the top, or you can do it as just an instrumental right before the chorus. So let's jump into the chorus. So my goal is to just get you kind of moving throughout this song, understanding how the things work, and so you can get to singing and praying and worshiping with this thing. So chorus, here we go. D flat. Oh God, my God, I need you. Now this is what I want you to do. On an A flat chord, we could go here like that, but really what I want you to do is stick on these just two notes. We're going to use the same thing for A flat sus here in a second, and then you'll slash C, use that C in the bass. So Oh God, my God, I need you. And then we'll go to a B flat minor. Oh God, my God, I need you. Here's your A flat sus. Then to our G flat. Now, how I need D flat slash F. Now you might be thinking, you're going so fast through all of this. Yes, you need to learn you need to pause the video, learn your chords, and take each part as it goes. So you're probably not going to learn it in time, especially if you're new. So just be pausing the video and working this out. All right, D flat slash F, need you now. 3 and 4 on that A flat sus. Back to D flat. O rock of ages, I'm standing in your faithfulness. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, A flat sus. So just those quick chord changes are the things that can mess you up. We will sing and pray this thing. Pray at the end so you can get the full flow. But for now, I'm just showing you what you need to know. Verse 2 is just like 1. Let's jump over to the bridge. And again, there's different versions of the song out there. There's the 8-minute version, the 12-minute version. There's instrumentals and all that stuff. So I'm just kind of breaking down the meat of the song. But let's look at the bridge. So D flat chord, you heard your children then, you hear your children now. You are the same God, you are the same God. You answered prayers back then, and you will answer now. You are the same God. Quick chord, you are the same God. All right, see where we're moving? Just chords right above the lyric where it changes. And then if the chord starts before the lyric, then it's before the lyric. You were providing then, you are providing now. You are the same God, you are the same God. Bridge 2 continues the same way till the very end where it gets real big. You are the same God, you are the same. And it hits this E flat minor chord, which we haven't done yet. So just play this. You say, hey, that looks just like the G flat chord. It is. But if you put an E flat in the bass, it makes it an E flat minor 7. Why? Because of the bass chord. It changes everything. It's amazing. All right. So that's the way that will flow. Again, there are, if you pull up music from Song Select, different places, you might see a bridge 3 and a verse 3, and there'll be all kinds of more slash chords and stuff. But now that you understand how that works, you can do those slash chords and make it happen. Might take a little brain power, but you can do it. All right, let's sing and pray through, play through, and good luck. 1, 2, ready, and 3, 4, do it again. Verse 1. I'm calling on the God of Jacob. 3, 4. Whose love endures through generations. I know that you will keep your covenant. I'm calling on the God of Moses, the one who opened up the ocean. I need you now to do the same thing for me. Do this as a instrumental. Ready, chorus. Oh God, my God, I need you. Oh God, my God, I need you now. How I need you now. 3, quick chord. Oh rock of ages, I'm I'm standing on your faithfulness. Your faithfulness. 2, 3, quick chord, verse 2. Calling on the God of Mary. 3, 4. Whose favor rests upon the lowly. I know with you all things are possible. I'm calling on the God of David, who made a shepherd boy courageous. May not face Goliath, I've got my own giant. God, oh God, I need you. Oh God, my God, I need you now. How I need you now. A flat sus. Oh rock of ages, I'm standing on your faithfulness. Your faithfulness, God. Let's go to the bridge. You heard your children. You hear your children now. You are the same God. You are the same God. You answered prayers back then, and you will answer now. You are the same God. You are the same God. You are providing then. You are providing now. You are the same God. You are the same God. God, oh God, I need you. God, my God, I need you now. All right, so hopefully you're able to flow through that song and pray and worship, most importantly. God bless y'all. Hope you were able to learn some stuff from that. Make sure and stay in contact with me. Sign up for the email list below the video. What it says, email list. And I'll teach you more cool stuff about the piano. How about that? Huh? Good trade-off. Free list, free stuff. Oh, it's good. Good. All right, Wade McNutt here. Piano meditation, worship tutorials. We will talk to you another day. Bye-bye.